Pumuputok po siya. Let's get married. Tan, tan, tan. Is this bulok? Hello ka-umami. Ngayon naman ay magluluto tayo ng isang Thai food na maihahalin tulad sa ating inabraw o bulanglang o sinabawang gulay sa Ilocano o sa Tagalog. At ito po ay tinatawag na keng het. Het is yung isang klase ng mushroom. Ito po yung isang klase ng mushroom na nahahanap lang isang beses isang taon. So seasonal po siya. Para pong maliliit na patatas, pero masarap po yan. Napakasarap. At hinugasan na po namin mabuti, pero ganyan pa rin po yung kulay niya. At meron tayong iba't ibang klase ng gulay. Ito yung tinatawag nilang pakwan. Ito naman yung dahon ng chia seed. Bai menglak kung tawagin nila. At ito po, hindi ko alam kung meron sa atin dyan sa Pilipinas para pong mangga. At meron din tayong kalabasa, lemongrass. At itong parang ipil-ipil na may tinik o yung tinatawag na shoom. Ito po ay mabango. Ito rin napakabango. Ito walang lasa. Ito maasim-asim kaunti, parang dahon ng mangga. At special po ang kanilang inabraw dahil ginagamitan nila ng sabaw o tubig na pinagpigaan ng isang klase ng dahon. Lagay muna natin at ipapakita natin yung dahon. Ito po ay nabibili dahil maproseso siya, matrabaho po siya. Sobrang init na ng kawali natin. Ang isang pack po ay nabibili lang ng 5 baht. Kung mapapansin nyo po, parang lumot-lumot yung kulay niya. Green na dark green. Yan. Tignan nyo po yung kulay niya mga kaumami, dark green, o diba? Kaya po siya dark green. Ito po yung isang klase ng baging o dahon na pinipiga o kinukuskus-kuskus para lumabas yung ganitong klase ng texture ng sabaw. At ito po ay nutritious, maraming health benefits, and of course, nagpapabango at nagpapasarap lalo sa ating sabaw. So, tignan nyo po and paki-comment naman if we have this kind of leaf or baging in the Philippines, kung ano po ang tawag natin at kung saan ginagamit. Wala naman siyang amoy. Wala. At ito po ay pinatas namin sa kapitbahay dahil meron silang tanim. So habang hindi pa kumukulo, ilalagay na po natin ang lemongrass na galing sa aking garden, kaya napakaliliit, at sili. Ito pong klase ng sili na ito ay ginagamit talaga nila sa mga inabraw. So kulong-kulo na mga kaumami, lalagay na natin ang kalabasa para mauna na, para manamis-namis yung ating sabaw. Ang bango po ng sabaw. At ilalagay na rin po yung ating kabute. Kabute na parang patatas. Parang nilumot na po yung ating sabaw. Het man chala bird, apo. So pumuputok-putok po yung mga mushroom natin. Wow. At dahil kulong-kulo na mga kaumami, lagay na po natin ang bagoong. Ayan. So katulad din po ng bagoong natin ito, kaya lang hindi ganun kaalat at masarap at luto na. Ito po ay ginagamit sa mga papaya salad na ginagawa at kinakain namin. So tatansyahin ko lang. Okay. At maglalagay din tayo ng patis, pampabango at pampalinamnam. Mamaya tikman natin. Kulang po yung ating bagoong, matabang-tabang pa, kaya let's add more. Hindi po kasi maalat itong kanilang mga bagoong katulad ng mga bagoong natin. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang Ajinomoto, mga kaumami. At sa mga Thai food po, mapapansin nyo, manamis-namis lagi yung kanilang mga pagkain dahil nag-a-add po lagi sila ng asukal. Pangontra lang sa anghang at alat. Kaunti lang. Ito po yung nagpapasarap talaga dahil sa bango at tamis ng mga gulay. Hanguin na natin. Wow.
Yeah, did you know how to get this mushroom?
How?
One year, one time.
Once a year.
Before raining season.
Bago magtag-ulan.
The first raining, this mushroom will go up.
Yung unang ulan. Anong hukay? They dig it from the soil?
No, they just walk and pick up.
Pinupulot-pulot lang. Okay, so hindi siya sa ilalim.
Go up under the
Mga
leaf.
puno.
Under the leaf.
Sa mga naglagas na mga dahon. So baka meron din po ito sa atin. I think we have this in the Philippines.
Yes.
Let's try it.
If Philippines have na, you can cook na.
Yeah.
Alone.
Let's try it.
Okay.
Siyempre, unahin natin yung isang piraso. Isang piraso. Ang bango po niya.
I will select the big one gun.
Yeah, let's try the big one. It's been a year, no? The last time we eat this.
Yeah.
1 year lang, no? Pumuputok po siya. Matigas po yung outer part. And inside, it has like creamy texture. Masarap. Sarap. Ang sabaw. Grabe. Naghahabol po ng pusa yung kapitbahay. May kalabasa.
Nga isa.
Inside is like, may laman po siya sa loob. Why me is white?
Yes อันนี้ยัง อันนี้ teenage
Is this bulok?
อันนี้ยัง
May නාwเหรอ?
ไม่เน่าไม่เน่า
Parang bulok. Let's show them. Magkaiba po. So ito daw ay bata, ito ay teenager. So it also has a matanda, kunke.
Yes.
Ang creamy po ng loob niya. Wow, ang sarap mga kamami.
The different taste นะ The young one and teenage
Can you find the old one? Magkakaiba
Old one.
po ang lasa.
The old one black
Itim-itim na.
you finding the black one this one.
Let's find the black one.
นี่ไงดำมากเลย very black
Parang dinuguan ka umami.
different taste ใช่ไหม
Oh yeah.
อืม
Itong yung mura parang creamy. And this one tastes like mushroom.
เหมือนกับ
Old
ลิเวอร์
mushroom, yeah.
เหมือนตับอะลิเวอร์
May pagka-liver.
โอ้หวานนะ The old
Sweet,
one
sweet.
sweet mushroom มีคาราเมล
Sarap.
inside
Let's try the other vegetables.
อร่อย
Yung mga gulay po. So usually we eat this with rice, no?
เดี๋ยว
Or sticky
ข้าวเหนียว
rice.
ข้าวเหนียว
Sometimes sticky rice. Masarap. Let's try the other vegetables.
ฟินมากนี่กินอะไรผักเหรอกินผักด้วย
Ang sarap ng the combination of vegetables.
ผัก
Sweet.
ต้ม
Smells mabango. At pag pinagsama-sama yung mga flavor nila, ang sarap.
มีเปรี้ยวๆด้วย
Yeah. Yung parang bay mamuang mag-iman bay
อ๋อ
mamuang.
นี่
Ito yung
ใบ
parang
เนี้ย
maasim-asim.
เนาะอร่อยดีแม่ค้า suggestion แม่ค้าบอกว่าให้ใส่ด้วย
Sinadjust lang daw nung nagtitinda. Because you asked her, you're gonna cook this. But I'm the one who cook.
แต่มันอร่อยนะ ใส่ไปก็เปรี้ยวนะอร่อย มาซิม
Ang sarap ka, mami. Pumuputok-putok po yung
I waiting
labert-labert.
I waiting for a long time for this mushroom
Isang taon po niyang hinihintay ang ganito. It also cannot keep long, no? Like preservation. Na. Do they preserve this? Cannot preserve?
ก็แค่เก็บไว้ใน temperature control อะ in refrigerator อะ
Sarap.
3 to 4 degree
Alam mo yung lasang mushroom siya sa outer skin is mushroom, but inside is creamy. Ang sarap. Ang hirap pong i-explain. Kasi wala siyang kalasa sa atin na pagkain or na mushroom. Ang sarap. I think I want rice.
อร่อย
And usually, kapag nabibili po ito sa market, when we buy from the market, it's so spicy, no? Ito, in-slide ko lang yung anghang niya. Mga 15 na sili.
กินกับฟักทองก็อร่อย combination of
Yeah.
this
The
food, no?
squash and the soup. Because the squash make it sweet and mabango.
ทองก็หวาน เห็ดก็อร่อย
And the soup, it's so good.
ใช่
Yung pinagpigaan po nitong ganitong dahon. Kaya po malumot-lumot o maberde o maitim. Let's get married. Tan, tan, tan. So ganito po sila. Minsan namamapak ng ulam, minsan inuulam with kanin. I like it.
ฉันก็ชอบ
So
ด้วย
masarap. So you think I can sell my cooking? Yeah.
I think you can sell already
Can you rate 1 to 10?
นี่เหรอ
Yeah, rate.
10
Oh.
10
It shows. Really?
เราสลับแดนออริจินอลเนี่ย
Really? Wow. And sometimes, they add bamboo shoot. Minsan may bamboo shoot din po.
Today we don't have because we want to eat head.
And kabatiti, the long vegetable, green, lufa. Minsan meron din po ito. Yeah.
อันนั้นเป็นแกงทั่วไป อันนั้นเป็น general แกง
Hindi
But
head.
today is special เห็ดเพาะ
Mas marami yung mushroom namin today, kaya
if เห็ดเพาะก็อย่างนี้แหละ
ibang style.
เราต้องกินเห็ดเพาะ
Ang sarap. Yung anghang niya, kayang-kaya mo lang. Not difficult to eat.
No need to finish เนาะ
Yeah. No? We need to finish? No?
No need to finish
Oh, no need,
I
yeah.
want to keep for tomorrow
Yeah. This is your food. Tomorrow, when you come back from work. Nakatipid pa ako.
อร่อยมาก
Ang sarap mga kaumami.
อร่อยที่สุด รอมานานมากกว่าจะได้กินเห็ดเพาะ
Alam mo yung sabaw niya, refreshing dahil sa lemongrass, sili, at yun nga yung piniga natin na dahon ito. Ang sarap ng sabaw kaumami. Soup is so good. And when they sell it in the market, hindi po ganito kalapot. Not green like this, no?
ไม่
เพราะว่าขาดอันนี้ไง
เขาผสม
ขาด
น้ำป่ะ
ingredients. They add more water. Sarap. Ang sarap po ng ano, mushroom na to. I think that we have this in the Philippines.
เหรอก็ให้ follower คอมเมนต์สิ มีไหม เคยกินหรือเปล่า
Yeah. Sa mga mahilig sa gubat-gubat, baka meron po nito. O baka meron, hindi ko lang alam. So, ilalagay po natin sa comment below the English name of this mushroom, ha? So, you can check, guys. At pwede nyo pong ilagay sa ating inabraw.
แต่เห็ดนี้เขาฟาร์มไม่ได้นะ I never see someone farm this head
It's natural from the forest.
เชื่อ must be natural no cannot farm
Oh, so organic. So yun lang mga kaumami, hindi naman po namin mauubos dahil magtitira pa kami for dinner. At sana nagustuhan nyo naman po ang video na ito. Kung merong ganitong klase ng mushroom sa atin, paki-comment naman po at kung ano ang tawag natin at kung saan natin inilalahok o kung anong klaseng luto ang pinanggagamitan natin. And see you again on next cooking and mukbang. Thank you for watching. Paki-share po ang video kung nagustuhan nyo. Bye!
bye
Oh, kala ko ba tapos na, Daddy? I thought you're finished.
อ้าวไม่ใช่เหรอ
Ang sarap mga kaumami.